the greatest common factor of 12x, so let's prime factorize 12x. 12x will be 2 raised to power 2 times 3 times x. 35y will be 5 times 7 times y. Now for their greatest common factor to be 5y, so GCF, so that means in greatest common factor you pick the prime factors common to the two numbers, or the prime factor that is common to the two numbers that has the lower power. That's what we since we are dealing with two numbers here. Now there's no 5 in 12x and there is no y. That means you have 5 and y here, at least one 5 here and at least one y. So that means x will be equals to at least 1 5y, or let's do it this way, 5y then multiplied by an integer. The integer could be or a 10. It could be an integer, it could be a 10, it could be another 5y, 25 and so on and so forth, whatever. Okay, so based on the information, let's look at the quantities. The remainder when 12x is divided by 10. So when you divide a number by 10, the remainder is always the unit digit. So 12x divided by 10. So 12x is 2 raised to power 2 times 3. We know that x is 5y a. Now if you divide this value by 10, already from what we have here, we can see that 12x is a multiple of 10. And unit digits in that case will not be 0. The remainder in that case will not be 0. So quantity A is 0 based on that information. So let's move to quantity B. The greatest common factor of x and y. Greatest common factor of x and y. So we know that x is 5 times y times a, and y will be y. So the only common factor between them is y. So the greatest common factor of x and y is y. And then we are told in the question that y is a positive integer. So if y is a positive integer, y could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on and so forth. But a is 0, so that means y is always greater than a, and our answer is B. So that is all for today. Until we meet again next time.